I will read the unseen passage first. Read the passage and tick the correct options. So I'll start reading. Aladdin was a poor boy. Aladdin नाम का एक लड़का था जो बहुत गरीब था. Poor means गरीब. One day he found an old lamp. एक दिन उसको क्या मिला? एक पुराना सा लैम्प मिला. लैम्प का मतलब यहाँ पे चिराग है. This is the lamp which he got one day. It was very dusty. जो लैम्प था वो बहुत धूल या मिट्टी से सना हुआ था, धूल मिट्टी से भरा हुआ था. It was very dusty. He wiped the dust and rubbed the lamp to make it shine. फिर अलादीन ने क्या किया? What Aladdin did? Aladdin wiped the dust which was there on the lamp and then he rubbed the lamp with his hands to make it shine. फिर अलादीन ने जब उसकी धूल साफ़ करी तो उसने अपने हाथ से उसको लैम्प को चमकाने के लिए अच्छे से घिसना शुरू कर दिया. अपने हाथ से लैम्प को उसने घिसना शुरू कर दिया. Suddenly a genie appeared from the lamp. When the Aladdin started rubbing the lamp, what came out of that lamp? A genie came out of the lamp. Genie, see, this is the genie, blue colored genie. It was very huge and horrible. How was the genie? The genie was huge and horrible. These two words, huge and horrible, are describing the genie. These words are describing about genie. That is why huge and horrible are the describing words. जीनी कैसा था दिखने में? जीनी बहुत ही ह्यूज मतलब बहुत विशालकाय था और हॉरिबल मतलब डरावना दिखता था वो. इट सेड, माय लॉर्ड, थैंक यू फॉर रिलीजिंग मी फ्रॉम द लैम्प. फिर जीनी ने जैसे ही लैम्प से बाहर आया तो व्हाट जीनी सेड टू अलादीन? जीनी सेड टू अलादीन कि थैंक यू माय लॉर्ड फॉर रिलीजिंग मी फ्रॉम द लैम्प. व्हेन अलादीन रब्ड द जीनी when Aladdin rubbed the lamp with his hands, the genie came out of the lamp, and that is why genie thanked Aladdin and he said, thank you my lord for releasing me from the lamp. Whenever somebody rubs the lamp with his hands, then the genie which is trapped inside that lamp will come out of that genie. जो genie होता है वो लैम्प के अंदर बंद होता है और जब भी कोई इंसान लैम्प को हाथ से रब करता है तो जीनी उस लैम्प से बाहर आ जाता है. आई एम अ जीनी. उसने क्या बताया? मैं एक जीनी हूँ. आई कैन फुलफिल योर विशेज़. सो जीनी इज़ दैट person who can fulfill your wishes. Genie is not a real thing or real person, it's a fictional character. ये जो जीनी नाम का कोई भी व्यक्ति होता है या जादूगर होता है वो रियल में नहीं होता है, वो सिर्फ स्टोरीज़ में होता है. ओके, स्टोरीज़ में फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर है ये एक. आई कैन फुलफिल योर विशेज़. सो जीनी ने क्या बताया बाहर आके अलादीन को? ही टोल्ड टू अलादीन दैट आई कैन फुलफिल योर विशेज़. मतलब मैं आपकी कोई भी इच्छा हो या ख्वाहिश हो उसको मैं पूरा कर सकता हूँ. व्हाट डू यू वांट? आपको क्या चाहिए? सो I hope you have understood this paragraph after reading. I want you to read it one more time and then start answering the questions. So questions are, who was Aladdin? Aladdin was a genie? No. A poor boy? Yes. A rich boy? Aladdin was not rich. He was a poor boy. So poor boy के सामने हमने tick करना. Question 2. What did he find one day? An old lamp? A old coin? A new lamp? नहीं. One day he found old lamp. So tick in front of the old lamp. Question 3. What appeared from the lamp? A small genie? Nothing. A huge genie. Genie was huge and horrible. So these two options are not correct. The correct option is huge genie. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 4. Which of these is a verb? So verb is nothing but the action word. The word which tells us about the action is called verb. Make मतलब कुछ बनाना है ना या तैयार करना. So make is the action word. Yes, make is the verb. Lamp is the name of the thing. So it is the noun. It's not a verb. what is the question word? what का मतलब क्या है? क्या. what means क्या. so what is the question word? lamp is the noun and make is the verb. so correct option will be make. question number 5. circle the antonyms of the given words. antonyms मतलब opposites. opposite word ढूंढ के निकालना है. rich. question 1 का first part is rich. we have to find the opposite or antonym for the rich. dusty no. lamp no. poor yes. rich का opposite है poor. rich मतलब अमीर, poor मतलब गरीब. question 2. tiny. tiny means small. so what will be the antonym of tiny? small, horrible or huge. tiny मतलब छोटा. तो small is not the antonym for the tiny. small is the similar word, not the antonym. it is the synonym. so horrible no. horrible का भी meaning अलग है. huge. huge मतलब बड़ा या विशालकाय. so tiny का opposite होगा huge. question number 6. which of these is the synonym of wiped? इसमें हमने antonyms find out किया. now in this question we have to find synonym of the word wiped. wiped का synonym ढूंढना है. synonym means the word which is having the similar meaning of the given word. so wiped का meaning है साफ करना या किसी को अच्छे से क्लीन करना. ठीक है. so appeared no. appeared मतलब दिखाई देना. it is not the synonym for the whipped. cleaned. cleaned yes. it is the synonym for the whipped. cleaned मतलब साफ करना and wiped मतलब भी साफ करना. fulfilled मतलब पूरी करना. it is not the synonym for the wiped. okay. so I hope you have understood how to solve the questions related to the unseen passages or comprehension passages. comprehension passages means the passages which you have not read before or you have not seen before in your English textbook. those are totally new for you. so you have to read them carefully, then understand them and then start answering the questions. okay kids. now I want you to solve the question number 3 on your own. till then, thank you. have a good day.